the world of online marketing, content is king. Strategically creating the right content for your customers, giving them the confidence to place their trust in you as the expert, is a key component in attracting more customers online and positioning yourself as a market leader. Today, we have a prominent expert in content marketing ready to explore this strategy with you.
In the past, when people had a problem they needed help with, they'd pick up the phone book and check the yellow pages. It provided business owners with a perfect prospect, a customer ready to spend money who had a problem they could solve, the purchase-driven consumer. Today, people go to Google and ask, how do I fix it? Google responds with a list of effective, targeted answers to our questions, also known as search engine results, which can include blogs, articles, white papers, audios, videos, social media, ebooks, and even customer reviews, just to name a few. What Google is always looking for is the information to answer people's questions. If a business owner's answers to how they fix problems with their specialized knowledge and custom solutions aren't readily available on that results page, that's a problem. Unless people are face-to-face with the person who can fix their problem, there's no way for them to access the information that's inside their heart and mind. Without access to it, purchase-driven consumers go to Google and look for someone who did make it easy to find. The business owner ends up as not only invisible, but also irrelevant online. Here's a strategy business owners can use to fix that problem. Become the generous educator and advocate for the success of your target market. Take the time to publish stories online that explain how you solved problems using your specialized knowledge and customized solutions. You would then become a true subject matter expert and a content marketer. The nice thing is, it's not you saying, hey, I'm an expert. Others will say it, including Google, where purchase-driven consumers will be shown your content when they ask a question to help solve their problem. Get interviewed. The most successful businesses are featured in interviews or spotlights, giving them valuable third-party endorsement from credible and trustworthy media sources. Then you can repurpose your interview. Once you've been interviewed, it's easy to repurpose it as online content that Google can find. A press release, blog post, video, photo essay, and social media posts are a few examples of how to reuse your valuable content. At Profound Programs, we focus on spotlighting professionals and their businesses in interviews that allow them to shine as educators and advocates in their marketplace. We help build great reputations to increase a business owner's influence and credibility, which opens doors to more leads, sales, and profits. To learn more about how to be interviewed, go to profoundprograms.com or call toll-free 877-417-7744.
So whether you're a local business startup or you've been in the industry for years, no doubt staying with these types of online marketing strategies and trends will impact your business and increase your profits. Are you ready to start getting more customers? All of the contact information you need for today's expert is on your screen. Thanks for watching.